Hey guys, today I'll be opening 3 Pokemon X and Y booster packs. First up we have Xerneas booster pack. It says Blastoise on the front. First up we have Skiddo, Scatterbug, Weedle, Rhyhorn, Bidoof, Ledian, Solrock, Volbeat, Bidoof, and Crocodile is a rare. So next up we have the Veltal booster pack. First up we have Pampor, Scatterbug, Water Energy, Rhyhorn, Honedge, Lunatone, Max Revive Trainer Card, Sableye, the reverse holo is Pawniard, and the rare is Raichu Holo. Pretty nice. Next up's the last pack of this pack opening. It's a Xerneas. Oops. First up we have Venipede, Jigglypuff, Ladybug, Sandile, Diglett, Professor's Letter Trainer Card, Lunatone, Solrock, the reverse holo is Rhyhorn, and the rare is Go-Goat Holo. 2 holos in a row. They were pretty average packs overall. 2 holos though, holo rares, so that's pretty good. So make sure you subscribe. I will be doing a X and Y Flashfire booster pack opening in the coming days, so stay tuned.